Python list part 2. Now let us look at nesting lists. So let us comment this part of the code also. Now here we can check the nesting list. Here I'm taking this variable num1 is equal to 1 2 3, num2 is equal to 4 5 6, and num3 is equal to num1 comma num2, and printing that num3. So num1 comma num2 is this is 1 2 3 is num1 and 4 5 6 is num2, this comma this. So this is the 0th element, this is the first element for num3, and here I'm printing num3 of 0 2. The 0th element is num1 in num3, and in num1 again we are going to the second item, that is index is second. So num1, the second item is, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, that would be 3, and num3 of 1 2, that means num3 of 1 is, the index 1 is num2, in that we are picking the second item, that is 0 1 and 2, that is 6. And here I am taking a list and adding these two and printing that list. Let us execute this. The first one we have printed num3. Num3 is 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6. So for num3 this is the 0th element and this is the first element. And next we are printing num3 of 0 2. So 0th element for num3 is this part. In this we have to go to the second element, that is 0 1 2, that is 3. So it has printed 3. Same is the case with the second print, that is num3 of 1 2, that is 1 is this one, and in that the second element is 6. So it has printed 6. This is the 6, and a list is equal to 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6. So it has added up 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, and we are printing 1 1 3 times, that is 1 1 1. It has printed print 1 into 3, so it has printed 1 3 times. Now let us see how we can use delete. So let me comment this part. This part is commented. Now we can write the code here. Here str is equal to ABCDE. This is the list. We are printing the str and deleting str of 4 and printing str again. Let us see the result. So initially we printed str, that is it has printed ABCDE, and we deleted str of 4. That means 0 1 2 3 4 is E has been deleted, so it has printed ABCD. That's how you can delete an item here. Now let us see pop. Let us delete the whole code from here. Now let us see what does pop does. Here we have taken a list 1 2 3 4 5, printing that list 1 2 3 4 5 and print lst.pop, list.pop. That pop will pop out this last element 5, and then we are printing lst, then only 1 2 3 4 are left. We again popped out one more item, print the lst.pop, it has popped out 4. Again print lst. Now we have only 1 2 3 in the list. So similarly we continued here. Let us check. Initially it has printed the whole list, and we have used the pop here, so it popped out the last element 5. Again we printed out the remaining list. Again we popped out, so last element 4 has been popped out, so it has printed the list 1 2 3. Again the same way it has printed 1 2. Now let us look at dq. With dq we can pop out the elements from both sides. It's a double-ended queue, so from both sides we can pop out the elements. For that, take from collections, we are importing dq. I taken a variable dq of abcde, and printing that variable dq, and here dq dot pop left. Previously we used pop in case of a list. Now we are popping from the left side of the dq, and print dq, and here we take dq dot pop and print dq. Let us run this. So initially we have printed the dq, that is dq is abcde, and now we have popped out the from the left one element, so it is we have popped out a, so bcde is the dq that is showing up now because we use pop left. And then we have popped, we use pop, so it has popped out the right side element, that is e, so it is printing bcd. So that's how we can use dq to pop out the elements from both sides of the queue. Now let us look at some built-in functions. We have num1 is equal to 1 2 3, num2 is equal to 4 5 6, and we are printing max of num1. Max of num1 is 3, and max of num2 is 6. Min of num1 is, minimum of num1 is 1, and minimum of num2 is 4 here, and length of num2 is 3 because there are 3 items here. So let us run this. Here we have these. Max of num1 is 3, max of num2 is 6, min of num1 is 1, min of num2 is 4, length of num2 is 3. So that's how we can use these functions